everybody. Welcome to Wildcard Wednesday. My name is Miss Christina, and I'm so glad that you're with us today. So, it is a back to school time, and whether you are studying at home or in the classroom, chances are when you are done with class, you're probably pretty hungry and you need a little snack to get you by until dinner time. Well, don't worry, I got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 5 really yummy snacks, one for each day of the school week. Now, these are not only yummy, but also really quick and really easy to make, and they're customizable. So if you don't like the ingredients I'm using, that's okay. You can always substitute things that you like. All right, now just a reminder before we start, anytime you work in the kitchen, you need to get your parents' permission. So make sure to ask before you begin. Make sure to wash your hands, wash your table, and when you're ready, we will begin.
All right, let's start this week off by making some frozen banana pops. You'll need a banana, chocolate chips, popsicle sticks, and then whatever toppings you like. I'm using granola and almonds. Other ideas would be sprinkles, peanuts, anything else you like. Okay, so you're gonna peel your bananas, cut them in half, and then insert a popsicle stick into each one. After this, you'll freeze them for about 15 minutes. Because this snack does take some time to set, it's a great one for Mondays because you can prepare them the day before and it'll be ready for you after school the next day. In the meantime, you can go ahead and melt your chocolate chips. I put mine in the microwave for 30 seconds, stirred them, and then microwaved them for another 30 seconds. But depending on your microwave, you may have to do it for more or less time. Looks yummy. Okay, now I accidentally took a picture instead of recording the last step. Oops. But basically, what I did was I poured the toppings onto the plate, and then I took my banana, dipped it in the chocolate, and then rolled it in the toppings. Freeze them for at least 10 minutes or overnight. Next, let's make some fruit parfaits. You'll need some fruit, any kind, whatever your favorite is. You'll need your favorite kind of yogurt and some granola. You'll also need a bowl or glass and a spoon. Start off by spooning some yogurt into your glass and then add your favorite fruit. I'm using a mixture of strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, but you can use whatever you like. And then add some granola. If you don't like granola, you can skip that or you can add something different. And the yogurt is kind of sticky. Since I'm just making this for myself and my hands are clean, I'm using my fingers. But if you are making this for someone else, you don't want to do that. All right, and then you'll just add another layer of yogurt, fruit, and granola. And you are done. It's ready to eat. Yummy. Next, let's make some silly toast. You'll need some toasted bread and your favorite spread. It could be peanut butter, almond butter, Nutella, avocado, jelly, cheese, whatever you like. And then you'll also need some vegetables or fruit, crackers, chips, cheese, meat, whatever you have on hand that you think's tasty. You're going to be making your toast into an animal or a silly face. I think I'm going to make mine into a bear, so I'm going to use almond butter. Whatever you decide to use, just spread it on your toast and try to make it nice and even. And if you need some toast inspiration, you could always check Google Images or Pinterest. Just type in funny face toast and you'll get lots of great ideas. Now I'm going to slice up some bananas for my bear's ears and nose. But again, just use whatever you like. And then for its eyes, I'm going to add some blueberries. Not only do bears like blueberries, but so do I. And there he is. Oh, he is almost too cute to eat. We've been making lots of sweet snacks, so let's change things up and do something savory. For this toast, I'm going to use an avocado. Avocados can be tricky to cut, so make sure to have your grown-up do it for you if you're going to use one. And once it's cut, you can go ahead and spoon it out onto your toast. and use a fork to mash it up. I'm going to turn this toast into a person, and I think alpha sprouts would make really great hair. If you've never tried these, I would encourage you to. They are really yummy. It's always good to try new vegetables and fruits, and this is a really fun way to do that. Now I'm adding some cucumber for its eyes, and a tomato for its nose, and some carrots for its pupils. Yummy! Next, let's make some banana roll-ups. You'll need some Nutella, a banana, a tortilla, a knife, and plate. Start by spreading the Nutella across your tortilla and try to get all the way to the edge. If you don't like Nutella, you could also use peanut butter, almond butter, jelly, whatever you like. Now, peel your banana and place it on the top or bottom edge of your tortilla. And roll it up. Now, cut your tortilla into slices. It is a little messy. If you want it to be a little neater, you could ask your grown-up to cut it with a sharper knife. Of course, if you're doing the cutting, you do not want to use a sharp knife. It may be a little bit messy, but it still tastes delicious. And there are your banana roll-ups. All right, it's Friday. Let's celebrate by making some pizza bagels. You'll need a bagel, some cheese, and pizza sauce. Your first step is to split your bagel in half and then spoon pizza sauce onto each side. Now sprinkle on some cheese. I'm using mozzarella, but you can use whatever you have on hand or whatever you like. You can also add vegetables or other toppings, but I'm keeping mine simple, just cheese and pizza sauce. Now bake them in a 350-degree oven. You could use a toaster oven like I am, or a conventional oven. And of course, this is a job for the grown-ups. Cook them until the cheese is melted. It took mine about 15 minutes, but it'll vary depending on the oven. Let them cool for several minutes and then enjoy.
All right, guys, I hope you try some of these out at home. If you do, make sure to let us know what you think. Let us know which one was your favorite. And make sure to join us again next Wednesday for some more fun. We'll see you then. Bye.